Which Indian film won the Best Children's and Family Film Award at BAFTA Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B, Boong. Which airport won the Global 2025 ASQ Award for Best Airport at Arrivals for the second consecutive year? Correct answer is option D, Mangaluru International Airport. Which film won the Best Film Award at the BAFTA Film Awards 2026? Correct answer is option C, One Battle After Another. Which company won the FIPI Award 2025 for Oil and Gas Production Company of the Year? Correct answer is option B, Indian Oil Corporation. Who won the Chang Crandall Humanitarian Award 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Haripriya Arvind and Dr. R. Venkatesh. Who won the Global Teacher Prize 2026? Correct answer is option C, Rubal Nagy. Which organization won the first prize at the Swachhata Pakhwada Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Paradip Port Authority. Which Indian city will host the Earthshot Prize 2026? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Who received the 22nd Upendranath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gyalum Ashi Dorji Wangmo Wangchuk. Who won the Crafoord Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Veerabhadran Ramanathan. At which edition of the Grammy Awards did the Dalai Lama win his first Grammy? Correct answer is option D, 68th. Which book received the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 for Hindi language? Correct answer is option C, Ek Bate 12. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Correct answer is option B, David Suzzale. Who won the Song of the Year award at the 68th Grammy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Billie Eilish. Who was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 in the sports category? Correct answer is option C, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which series won the Best Series Critics Award at the Filmfare OTT Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Patal Lok Season 2. Here is the winners list of Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. Who was named PETA India's Person of the Year for 2025? Correct answer is option B, Raveena Tandon. Who was awarded the first ever FIFA Peace Prize in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Donald Trump. Who was crowned Miss Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A, Fatima Bosch. Which Indian railway station was honored with the National Energy Conservation Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Miana Railway Station, Guna, Madhya Pradesh. Who received the Transformational Leader of the Year award at the NDTV Indian of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Who was named Times CEO of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Neil Mohan. Who from India was honored with the Champions of the Earth Award 2025 by the United Nations? Correct answer is option B, Supriya Sahu. Which bank was named the Global Bank of the Year 2025 by the Banker? Correct answer is option D, DBS Bank. Who became the youngest recipient of the Global Human Society's Animal Welfare Award? Correct answer is option B, Anant Ambani. Which state ranked first in the Best State category at the 6th National Water Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who won the Best Actress award at the Filmfare Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alia Bhatt. Which Indian city has been recognized as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Which film won the Golden Peacock Award for Best Film at the International Film Festival of India 2025? Correct answer is option A, Skin of Youth. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Here is the winner list of Nobel Prize 2025. Which institute won the title of India's Best Health Technology Assessment Institute at the ARISE 2025 National Conclave? Correct answer is option C, the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. Which Indian film has been shortlisted for the Best International Feature Film category at the 98th Academy Awards? Correct answer is option A, Homebound. Who became the first Indian to receive the Canton R. Miller Award for Innovation in Sustainable Protected Area Management? Correct answer is option A, Sonali Ghosh. Which is the highest national honor of Oman conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Muscat? Correct answer is option D, the first class of the Order of Oman. Which actress was honored with the Golden Globes Horizon Award at the Red Sea International Film Festival 2025? Correct answer is option C, Alia Bhatt. Who was honored with the prestigious 40 Under 40 Lawyer Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Advocate Shubham Avasthi. Which airport was named the world's best international airport for 2025 at the Travel Plus Leisure India's Best Awards? Correct answer is option C, Singapore Changi Airport. Which CRPF officer was awarded the Union Home Minister's Efficiency Medal for exemplary service? Correct answer is option C, Dinesh Khatak. Who was posthumously awarded the Vigyan Ratna Award in 2025 for lifetime achievement in science? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Which Indian organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. Who received the World Leader for Peace and Security Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Who received the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award 2025? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishnan. Who was named Times Athlete of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option D, Aja Wilson. Who was named Times Entertainer of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leonardo DiCaprio. Nina Kalu recently made history by becoming the first artist with a learning disability to win which prestigious award? Correct answer is option B, Turner Prize. Which is Ethiopia's highest national honor conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Addis Ababa? Correct answer is option B, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia. Which Indian company won the FIA European Rally Championship team's title 2025? Correct answer is option C, MRF Tires. Who won the British Academy Book Prize for his book The Burning Earth? Correct answer is option B, Sunil Amrit. Who was honored as a 2025 Top Agri-Food Pioneer by the World Food Prize Foundation? Correct answer is option C, Sanjeev Kapoor. Who was posthumously honored with the P.V. Narasimha Rao Memorial Award 2025 for Economics? Correct answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. Who has been honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the year 2023? Correct answer is option C, Mohanlal. Who was awarded the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Correct answer is option A, Rani Mukherjee. Who won the Ursula K. Le Guin Prize 2025 for fiction? Correct answer is option A, Vajra Chandrasekhar. Who became the first Indian woman to win the title of Mrs. Universe 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sherry Singh. Which organization was honored with the Changemaker of the Year award at the Business Line Changemaker Awards in September 2025? Correct answer is option D, Defense Research and Development Organization. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025 for Digital Innovation? Correct answer is option D, Rohini Gram Panchayat. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Banu Mushtaq. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Who won the Best Director Award in the Horizonte section at the 82nd Venice Film Festival? Correct answer is option B, Anupama Roy. Which book by Gitanjali Shri, translated by Daisy Rockwell, won the Pen Translates Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Once Elephants Lived Here. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option D, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who was awarded the G.P. Birla Memorial Award in 2025 for outstanding contribution to India's space program? Correct answer is option C, Dr. V. Narayanan. Who won the Payne Pinter Prize 2025? Correct answer is option D, Leela Abulela. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option A, Opal Suchata Chwangsri. Who won the Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar 2025 for the book Fir Ugna in Hindi? Correct answer is option A, Parvati Tirki. Who was awarded the Global Indian of the Year by the Canada India Foundation in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sadhguru. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which Indian film won the Best Children's and Family Film Award at BAFTA Awards 2026? The question number second is, who won the Song of the Year award at the 68th Grammy Awards? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.